Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Visual Studio installation error on your Windows. So if you encounter this kind of error, then I'm just going to share to you a very simple fixes. So let's go quick into the process. First is you have to click on the start button and go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane for the settings window, you have to click on Windows Update. Click this button right here so you'll find a one button on the right pane. Now that will check for updates, and once you have updated your Windows, close out of here. Why do we need to update our Windows? Because that is a very helpful fix, because once your Windows is updated, you rarely face an issue. And after you have updated your Windows, then try to install the Visual Studio again. Now for the second method is if you are using any third-party antivirus software like any of the Avast, McAfee, or Malwarebytes, which are the commonly used third-party antivirus software, then we can try to temporarily disable that, because that might interrupt or block the process, the installation process. So what we can do, click on the show hidden icons on the taskbar. Now here you can find Malwarebytes or any of the third-party antivirus software that you are using. Simply make a right click and then select quit Malwarebytes or quit McAfee, quit Avast. So after you have done that, then try to install the Visual Studio again. And for the next method is we can also run the System File Checker Scan, or known as the SFC Scan. In the Windows search bar, type CMD. On the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator. Now here, type this command SFC space / scan now. It's SFC space / scan now, hit enter. So this is the system file checker scan, and this will repair and fix all system corrupted files, which is a very helpful fix. Now while the process is going on, is you should not close the window. You can just simply minimize here but do not close it, and once this is 100% completed, close out of here, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And after that, try to install the Visual Studio again. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.